Hi guys, thank you for stopping by my channel Experimental Gardening. Today's video is about the growing of mums. This is the whole 1 year update of the mums I have grown. I have bought last year in the month of November. I planted out 8 plants and in December they started uh, dying. The flowers you can see are now started dying. So I was experimenting that if they will survive or not. So in the month of March, you can see everything is dead. I am not sure that they will come back again or not. So I'm hoping that some of them will come back. So out of 8 plants in the month of July, I saw only 5 came back and 3 of them died. They didn't make it. So I'm very happy that at least some of them has survived. So what I will do now, once they will grow a little bit bigger, then this is September, you can see the buds are coming. I have taken some cuttings from them and I have grown in a small parts. You can see I have made like 9 cuttings and all of them have survived within 2 months. They have a good roots and I have transplanted them in small pots. So I have 9 new plants now. So this is, you can see the buds are coming now in the old plant and some buds are also coming in the cutting plant which I have grown from cuttings. So every week now, this I have now gone into October. So this is, you can see they have now so many birds and different colors. They are like 5 or 6 colors. So the cutting also has some flowers and they will also grow more and more, and I hope that they will also survive in the container. So if you want to grow them, you should uh, just keep them in the ground, because one of my plant was in the pot. It survived, but its progress was not good enough. It didn't give me so many flowers this year, and every time I will grow in the ground. So ground is good enough because it gives the nutrient which the plant needs. The pot doesn't give so many nutrient, so it doesn't grow well. So you can see now they are coming to become flowers, and this is the today is the 16th of October. So you can see most of the birds have become flower now, and it is looking very beautiful. And I am happy that all these plants are doing well. And next year I will make more plants. I will take the cutting in the month of June or July. So that is a good time to take the cutting of these plants. So, so guys, I hope you will also save your mums in the ground, and you will enjoy, like, they give like flowers from September or October to 15th of December. So you will enjoy like 2 months. So guys, thank you for watching the video. I hope you like this video and you will also save your mom's plant for the next year, and you will also grow them from the cutting. They are very easy to root. None of them died. Whatever cutting I have planted, all 100% were alive. So you can see they have also the flower. So thank you guys. See you in my next video. Till then, bye.